Thailand, but decided to stay here.
It's lovely.
Yeah. And very easy to stay. I mean, visa.
Yeah.
Just go to study
Thai.
Yeah.
Do you know lots of Thai?
Yeah, we have many friends because we live in the village, Thai village, in the mountain. So, and we made lots of friends. Yeah. It's good, yeah. Она преподает здесь, с Англии. We go to school, we attend classes, but not carefully and not. It's not a goal to to speak Thai. Just
I think it's nice to know a little bit though.
Yeah, a little bit, yes. All our friends speak a little bit English, but when they don't understand, I try to speak Thai.
Yeah.
And it's useful.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you rent a house?
Are you okay? Okay. Yeah.
Rent a house in Chiang Mai?
Yeah. For 6 of us. In one house, 6 people.
6 people.
Yeah.
Oh, in one house.
Yeah.
Big community.
Yeah.
And we have found, actually our friends, Thai friends, have found a house for us in the mountain. It's Saming direction in Handong.
Okay.
Handong. So, and 5,000 baht per house, 3 rooms.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cheap.
Very cheap, but it's far from the city.
Yeah.
About 14 kilometers. We don't have bike. We don't ride bike.
Oh, you don't want?
No, it's actually dangerous. And,
it is.
And
I don't either.
Since we pay very cheap for house, we decided to hire a driver.
Yeah.
So we have personal driver, and it costs us the same as we rent a house in the city.
Yes.
Yeah.
A nicer house. Yeah.
Very good. I love Thailand.
Yeah.
Don't go to Argentina.
Beautiful.
And you'd like to stay here for how many?
I think just more, 6 months more.
Oh, okay. And then
I want to stay longer, but I have boyfriend in England.
Maybe it's better.
Yeah.
Him to come here.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. England the same like St. Petersburg, London I mean. Like St. Petersburg in Russia. Rainy grey sky all year round.
Always.
Always, yeah. No sunshine. Phew, lovely place. Okay. So,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Слушай, я так пить хочу.